Hey guys, you want to see by the thumbnail? Yep, went to Walmart. Found pretty cool things. Here's Eric Jones's throwback collar. And then here's this cool one. A Dale Earnhardt Jr. And then also this Ryan Blaney car. So yeah, this is from Wave 7 of 2022. I have some of Wave 7. I'm only missing Kyle Busch, Todd Dillon, and Joey Logano. But I might not pick up that Joey Logano because I already have one. Just might pick up Todd Dillon and Kyle Busch if I ever find them. But yeah, Ryan Blaney. Let's unbox the haulers first. Starting off with the Dale Earnhardt Jr. This looks like number 3, Dale Earnhardt Jr. This would have been a pretty cool, authentic to get. It's an old Dale Earnhardt Jr. car. So yeah. Next up, oh yeah, and these are cars from my diecast video. Look at them. All their playoff banners. But yeah, anyways, up next it's Eric Jones. That's what it looks like from the back. Honestly, I like the cars, the holders that have this. They look cool. Yep. Only nothing too special. But let me see. Those two are pretty cool. I have a whole entire wave. Up next, it's Ryan Blaney's Worth, whatever you want to call it. It just fell out. Let me grab that sticker really quick. And then we'll unbox, and then I'll show you what the car looks like. Anyways, here's what the sticker looks like. Ryan Blaney as a sponsor, number 12. He's number 12 car, part of the Penske team. Honestly, this one's one of my favorite. I like the colors. From like the red fading into the black. It turned like maroonish right here. A maroon red. And then it's bright red. Then maroon. But yeah, that's it guys. That's all that I got. 2 haulers and the NASCAR authentic car. So yeah, if you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see y'all in the next video.